I'm not a big fan of like the centralized solutions only. Of course, there are some certain elements that are non-negotiable. Think about IoT, think about, the protocols, MQTT brokers, and, those kind of things are fundamental elements. But I think with that, you have to have a decentralized effort and innovation and creativity that continuously will bring some insight that will help you to understand like how the overall ecosystem should look like, right? So for me, when I look onto that, it is a mixture. It is a mixture of a definition of non-negotiable things without which you cannot move on, like the example that I was giving with all of those electrical switches and those kind of things. If you won't be able to connect them, if you won't be able to put the wires out there, things are not going to work, right? So there's some certain level of global centrally defined non-negotiable elements. But because the nature of manufacturing is that the things are happening in the facility, and nobody knows better what are those elements that could be improved than the people who are touching the products, who are assembling the products, right? And that is where you have like a giant amount of the human horsepower, brain horsepower from the people who are bringing continuously a very great ideas on how to improve some certain things. So for me, if I will conclude it from the industrial perspective, I think the art is about combining centrally managed elements with the giant insight and injection of the continuous improvement and innovation that is coming from the side.